Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing a new plugin and theme for our Grav site. Grav comes with a default theme called Quark, but what if we wanted to try out one of over 100 other free open source themes for Grav? What if we wanted to add features to our site using one or more of the nearly 300 plugins Grav has to offer? We can do both of these things very easily in Grav, and here's how. Let's use the YouTube plugin as our example. This plugin will let you seamlessly embed YouTube videos into your Grav Markdown content and even add a YouTube button to your page editor in order to help more easily add YouTube videos to your site. To install this plugin, we'll need to access the Grav admin and head over to the Plugin tab. Here, you can see a list of your currently installed plugins. Next, we'll want to select the Add button and use the search bar to find the plugin called YouTube. Clicking the Install button gives you a pop-up where you can initiate the installation process. When you do this, the plugin and any dependencies will be installed automatically. Upon successful installation, you should be taken directly to the plugin's configuration page. Here you can see many options for the plugin and set them as you would like. You can also usually access the README file for the plugin from this page. You should also make sure that your plugin is enabled through the toggle buttons in the plugin status field. If you have made any changes to the configuration of the plugin, click Save, and you are now ready to use the plugin on your site. Using this plugin is a breeze. All you need to do to add a YouTube video to your page is to click the YouTube icon now in your page content editor toolbar and enter the URL of the YouTube video you would like to add. You can also type out the shortcode by using an open bracket, plugin:YouTube, and close the bracket. In parentheses, right after that, add the link to the YouTube video you'd like to embed. And that's it. Just save and take a look at your new embedded video. Next, we're going to take a look at theme installation. Now, let's say you wanted to give your Grav site a new look. To do this, we'll need to give our site a new theme. One of Grav's most popular free themes is Bootstrap 4. It's a simple theme featuring the flexible Bootstrap framework. To install the new theme, select Themes from the sidebar of the admin. This will take you to a page that displays all of your currently installed themes. From here, click Add and use the filter field to search for your theme. Once you've located your theme of choice, click Install and continue on the pop-up that appears. If the theme requires any dependencies, they will be installed automatically. After the theme installation is complete, you will then be directed to your new theme's configuration page where you can set any option. There's one more step to go. Simply go back to the themes page using the link in the admin sidebar and click the Activate link under the theme you would like to activate for your site. Confirm this and check the results.